Alright, this is Sean Payne. I'm here at Randall Noe. I just had one of the most amazing experiences I've had at a dealership with Eric and Kelsey, buying my new four-wheel drive crew cab truck. I appreciated the speed that they used to close this deal. Their honesty was refreshing. That was the best thing about what I experienced here at this dealership. I appreciate that. They were willing to negotiate and made the numbers game a very quick ordeal. It was not a complicated mess like it normally is with a lot of haggling, and I appreciated that.